Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the SoFi app step by step. If you're new to the app and want to manage banking, investing, or personal finances from your phone, this guide will help you get started. Let's get started. SoFi is a financial services app that allows users to manage banking, investing, loans, and credit in one place. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Download the SoFi app. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Search for SoFi and install the app. Once installed, open the app. Step 2. Create an account. Tap Sign Up. Enter your basic details such as full name, email address, password, phone number. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. Step 3. Complete identity verification. For security and financial regulations, SoFi may ask you to verify your identity. You may need to provide date of birth, address, social security number for US users. After verification, your account will be activated. Step 4. Link your bank account. To add money or make transactions, link your bank account. Tap Add Account and choose your bank. Log into your bank securely to connect it with the SoFi app. Step 5. Explore the main features. Once your account is set up, you can access several features in the app, such as banking, manage checking and savings accounts, investing, buy stocks or ETFs, loans, apply for personal or student loans, credit tracking, monitor your credit score. Tap any section from the main dashboard to start using it. Step 6. Deposit or transfer money. You can move money into your SoFi account. Tap Transfer or Add Money. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Step 7. Manage your finances. Use the app regularly to track spending, monitor investments, pay bills, transfer funds. The dashboard shows your financial activity in one place. Important tip: make sure to enable two-factor authentication in settings to keep your account secure. And that's it. That's how you use the SoFi app step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.